TJ Tennant, the tire guy here at Bloodworth Motorsports here in Nashville. Freaking awesome motorcycle dealership. I bought many bikes from this dealership, spent more money than I care to talk about. But tonight, we've got the Ducati Club meeting here, which I'm also a member of. We got Bruce, who's in the Ducati Club, and we want to talk a little bit about the Nashville Ducati Club and what makes it so freaking special. Bruce, you want to tell us a little bit about yourself and what you do with this club?
Sure, TJ. First of all, thanks for being here. Thanks for doing this clinic tonight. Anyway, so yeah, Ducati Music City DOC. We call it Music City because we're here in Music City, Nashville, Tennessee.
Of course.
It's a chartered club. That means we're chartered with the Ducati factory, so we're actually a chartered club. And it's just a group of guys that are passionate about Ducatis. And like you said, you're not the only one here that's telling somebody with a motorcycle. I've got 3 of my own all purchased here. So, but it's just a group. It's largely started out being a social club. We get together every month for dinner, kind of like we're doing here at the meeting. We try and organize rides once a month when the weather's good. That's the struggle is with the weather, but we still try and get out there. Try and get guys together for track days, look for other activities to do. Go to MotoGP, stuff like that. So it's just a bunch of group of guys, passionate about Ducatis. We got guys from all walks of life here. So yeah, that's kind of what we do.
You know, I love Ducati motorcycles. So of course I have BMWs and all that stuff too. But for me, Ducati, because I'm also an F1 fan. I get involved with Ferrari and stuff like that. But just the look of the bike, they're more to me above the handling and the performance of the motorcycle. The look of the motorcycle is where the passion lies for me. The sound of the bike when you're on the throttle, the way it pulls. I'm a big guy, and I don't feel like a big guy when I'm riding a Ducati.
Yeah, so yeah, you're right. And that is kind of one of the key things that really attracts me to Ducati is the style, the sound. I think the fact that they used up the recent mistake with the big league twins and those bikes pull like crazy. So they're a lot of fun to ride. Everything they do is performance oriented. I don't care which one of these bikes you take out, whether it's a scrambler or whatever, multi-strada, all those bikes are performance oriented. They all ride like sport bikes, but they can come to the ride too. So yeah, you know, Ducati does a lot for their customers. If you ever have an opportunity to go to World Ducati, it is the most amazing gathering that I've ever been to. Apparently you have that many people, 65,000 people all passionate about Ducati. There's a lot of really good buyers, a lot of ideas. So, you know, it's that kind of sense. And so, you know, I kind of got started with Ducati. It kind of goes back a long way. Go back in the 80s. My brother was always a road bike rider. I was a dirt bike rider. He took me out to talk to early superbike racing in the state of California. And you hear all the CBRs and stuff going by.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden, this bike was behind the didn't sound like anything I'd ever heard before. It was really cool. It's like just kind of had filed that away for many years. And when I started thinking about getting a motorcycle again, I kind of remember the Ducatis, and I was kind of curious what I can't possibly imagine a Ducati dealer now, right? It's all kind of like Harley Davidson, and sure enough, there's a Ducati dealer. And so I walked in here, which was kind of a mistake, because I said, I got to buy one of these bikes. I mean, the minute you see, they're just kind of that bike. So yeah, I bought my first Ducati and had that one for years. I'm up to 3 now. So.
Yeah, it's scary. You walk in here, and my wallet starts inching out of my pocket.
Yeah.
But they are very unique in styling and sound. And even people who are not motorcycle enthusiasts, when you pass by a Ducati, they know something special.
Yep.
They know it's not just your average, everyday leader bike. It's something different about that particular motorcycle. Well, we're going to get ready to have our meeting here shortly, guys. We'll film a little bit of that, show you some snippets of that. But thanks for signing in. We got Bruce here, and I'll touch bases with you later. Hello, everyone. TJ Tennant, the tire guy. We are here tonight. I mentioned earlier for the Ducati Club meeting, but we're at the shop for Dayton, Virginia Bloodworth Motorsports. And I gotta tell you, I hate coming over here because every time I come over here, my wallet starts to itch. I mean, I bought a lot of bikes from this guy. The service is always phenomenal. I mean, no matter what, I'll come over and say, hey man, I need a bike. And you know, his service guy will be like, well, when do you need it? I'm like, well, I need it service, you know, new tires, whatever. They always get it done exactly how they said they're gonna get it done. But the sales, the service, the customer service, the partnership in the way that they interact with the community here is unequal from any other Ducati shop that I've seen in North America. And I travel a lot, so I usually try to stop by a Ducati shop, so I got a baseline to compare it to. But I got Dave here, and I wanted to talk to you about his shop because it's so cool. Dave, how are you doing tonight?
TJ, I'm doing great, and always good to see you. Glad you're here, and I'm really embarrassed by such a build-up. I hope I can live up to half of what you described.
You've already lived up to it. If I bought 3 or 4 bikes from any shop, that is a big deal for me.
And we sure do appreciate it.
Well, how long have you been in business selling Ducatis?
We have been a Ducati dealer since 2016 was our first year. We've been a motorcycle dealer since 1991.
Wow.
So we've been a motorbike dealer for about 30 years. 10 years prior to that, we had a European automobile repair specialty center. So all in, we've been doing this quite a while. Actually, I got my start working when I was 15 years old in a Volkswagen garage when I was home for the summer from boarding school. Yeah, so I really had oil in the blood for quite a while.
You know, that's cool. I met Dave, and he may not remember this. They had a shop off Charlotte's Pike. I had just moved to Nashville in, I think, 2004 or 5 or something. I went in, and I couldn't really afford a Ducati back then, but I was interested. And you know, I walked through the door, Dave himself said, "Hi, how you doing?" And I never forgot that. And then as my finances started to get to where they are now, I was able to buy some bikes. And in my mind, there was no other option other than buy from Blood Motorsports. Because of the service, the way I was treated, you didn't know I didn't have a dime, but you treated me like I had $1 million when I walked in. And I just never forgot that. And that kind of service just really doesn't exist anymore.
Oh, I think it does in other places, but those are very kind words. I certainly appreciate that. You have to realize people have a lot of choices in this life, and you should take as much care of them as possible. And sometimes taking care of them is telling them maybe things they don't want to hear, but you always want to be truthful and respectful people. That's what we try to do.
You know, you've got a ton of Ducatis down here in the Ducati area. I slobbered on a couple as I walked in, as I always do. But what other brands do you guys sell here at Bloodworks Motorsports?
Well, we sell Ducati. They're the prettiest brand that we represent.
Oh, yeah.
But we have BMW, which is a fine European brand. And we do the Vespa Piaggio scooters, which have that Italian flair without maybe as much sports, but certainly they have attractiveness in their own right. But you cannot build a bike like the Italians. They just have it down. They have the style. They have it's a visceral touch of fashion. Very hard to describe, but when you see it, you know it.
Oh, you know, when I come to the Ducati Club meetings, I don't get to come as much now as I used to be because I'm traveling a lot. But the passion is there. For the people who purchase Ducati, there is no other motorcycle out there. I mean, I own a BMW as well. I'm a part of that club. And again, I don't get to come as I like, but there is a totally different culture between Ducati and any other motorcycle club, owner, or bike. They are just furiously passionate about that motorcycle.
I would agree with you. And I've never met a motorcyclist who would not confide one day on a Ducati, even if they are a diehard for other brands. And every brand has a thing.
ACMA, starting in Lebanon. It's kind of around. Moto America, Barbers. Trying to get a group to go down there. Like we had someone went down there last year. 20th, 22nd, 20th, and 22nd of September.
Was I sure when the rain got turned down?
So yeah, I remember I was down there Sunday and I had written down here down there and didn't leave in time, and so kind of tried to wait out the rain and rode home about 9, 10 o'clock.
Say for instance, you're on the side of the road. You're out in the middle of the desert. I say, yes, plug it so you can get somewhere safe. But as soon as you can, get to a dealer, see if they can repair it. If they can repair it, they'll repair it. But here's the problem. Here is the biggest part of the problem with that. If you repair a motorcycle tire, even if you repair it correctly, maximum speed on that tire is then 85 miles an hour. But I gotta tell you guys again, Bloodworks Motorsports is definitely somewhere you want to stop if you're ever in the Nashville area. They will make you feel at home. At TJ Tennant, the tire guy, wishing everybody peace and love.